here. And it's filled with all of these puff balls, okay? And I can even show you on my document camera on the ladybug in a minute too. But here's what you're going to do in a minute. I'm going to give you a few minutes to take a really good look, and I'm going to turn it around. We're going to estimate how many puff balls you think are in this jar, okay? So let me put it back on.
Now you're muted.
Share again. You could see it on the ladybug. So I don't know if that's, oh yeah, you could see it a little bit better like that. So you're going to make an estimation. An estimation, if you remember, is like your very best guess. I don't want you to raise your hand yet to give me your estimation. I'll tell you in just a minute what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to leave this here. What I want you to do is open up the chat box and enter in your guess. So you're going to type in the number of puffballs that you think are in the jar. Okay, I'm going to give everyone a few minutes to do that right now. If you are watching this on video and you're not with us live right now, please go ahead and make your best guess also. And you can write it down somewhere. You can email it to me if you'd like. My goal is to have 24 guesses by tomorrow.
Miss Draper. Miss Draper.
I don't know who has a hand up. Let's see. Is that Kyler?
Yep.
Okay, Kyler, what? Yes.
I sent my chat already to you.
Awesome. Thank you. So if you've sent your chat, you can just chill for a second. I'm going to just take a look at the chat box here. Let's see. There it is. Okay. Oh, yes. I'm getting lots of guesses. Nice. Yeah, and it's fine if it's totally fine if you send your guess to everyone. You don't have to just send it private to me. You can send it to everybody. Okay.
Miss Draper?
Yeah. Is that Rithvik?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead.
Actually, I don't know how to get to the box here.
Okay. So I think if on your screen, I think if you go to the bottom of your screen, I'm going to stop the share so I can look here. If you go to the very bottom of your screen, there's a little, it looks like a little talking bubble and it says chat underneath it. That's what it looks like on my screen. I'm hoping that's what
Wait, there is nothing that says chat actually.
You don't see anything when you hover your mouse at the bottom of the screen. You don't see anything.
I'm not using a mouse. I'm using an iPad.
Okay, so Rithvik, around the same spot where you go to raise your hand. See if you can find it over there. Okay.
Okay. I'll click participants at the top.
Yes.
And
did you find it?
I found Rithvik Naglam at the first.
Do you see something that says chat?
It's going to be under more once you click on.
Oh, I do.
Box.
Thank you. Thank you for the help. I know as the host, my screen looks a little bit different than theirs. I very much appreciate the help. Okay. Are we good?
No.
Oh, Kaylee, you have a question. Go ahead, Kaylee.
No, you'd actually do that. She is closed.
Did you have a question, Kaylee?
No. I didn't have a question.
Oh, okay. I saw your hand up. Okay. How about Jackson? Do you have a question?
But now she can't see me because I'm blocked.
Okay.
I'm the master. I'm the master. I'm the master.
You have a question, Jackson? Or are you good? Oh, you took your hand down. Okay, Grayson, you good?
Yes.
Okay. And Andy, how about you? Question, Andy, or are you just,
No,
Okay.
no question. We're good.
you're good. Okay, awesome. All right. So guys, tomorrow we're going to count out these. We're going to see who came the closest. I'm going to make sure to take down all of your guesses. Okay. So now I'm going to share something else with you. So I think I told you earlier, if you were at the morning meeting, if you were at morning meeting, I was talking to you about the, let me make this small. I was talking to you about your must-dos and your may-dos. So for today or Tuesday, I have something on here, and I have this every day this week. It's called Online Math Manipulative Fun. And this is something I just wanted to show you. Miss Lowe actually taught me about this site. I didn't know about it. It's similar to one that we have used before, but this one's even better. I don't know if you've used this if you were in Miss Lowe's class, but it's so fun. And I thought it would be a fun thing for you to just explore on and do some, maybe do some building with shapes. Our next math unit is going to be on shapes. We're starting that next week. So there are 2 different shape games. There's one with pattern blocks. So if you look, you can make pictures using pattern blocks, which is really pretty fun because we don't have our pattern blocks like we do at school, right? So this is fun to do. And then also I would recommend the tangram one. Tangrams are a little more challenging than pattern blocks, but they're also super fun to make different pictures with. Okay, back to, where do I want to be here? Let me go back. See, when you don't know, you just go back to the beginning. It looks like that site though has a ton of things to explore. So it would be a really fun area for you to explore. Okay, so you also have a clock here and we're going to be doing time. So that's another fun one. Even if you don't have dice at home, if you want to do different math games, you can use these dice. Let's look at what those do. Look at, I just hit throw. Check it out. Or I wonder if I can do different kinds of dice. Well, you'll be able to experiment with this a little bit too. Ah, you can. I want just the dice that have the dots on it. Plain ones. I guess they don't have that one. Anyhow, kind of fun, huh? It actually sounds like dice. So I would love for you to spend some time on these different games today and take a look. You can also just explore through this site. There's some puzzles. Those are really good for your brain. Okay, probably kind of like some of the games that you play on your devices, only maybe more.
What'd you say?
There's
Miss Draper?
1 second. You can play songs. Like there's some art. So I would challenge all of you to explore with this. And the place where you will find it is in your slideshow you'll find it this week on Tuesday and on Wednesday, every day this week in your May-dos, you'll find this link. You can bookmark the link by, remember, just if you're using a laptop or a Chromebook, you just click on the star up at the top. You can bookmark that if you want to.
Miss Draper?
1 second, let me go back to, okay, so before I answer questions, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna end the recording and then we can turn our video back on and see each other, okay? So I'm gonna end the recording for today. That's all the math you have, just practicing on that website. You can also check on the slideshow for the math choice menu if you like.
It's not working.